36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no walking, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, or driving, or in and out of your camera. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Taylor Rollins, ticket number SP 1302263, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
My name is Taylor Rollins.
I don't know, did Mr. Oakley step away? I think we'll have to wait for Mr. Soroki to come back.
Okay, Sharon called in. Well, Russell, you just seen, we know, that's what some happened. So I told him to dismiss it, but won't be putting him off, so since he called it.
Russell will keep the title.
Yeah. It's tired of it going. He was fine with that.
Okay, for those who just came out, we have open court. I'm going to mute your device. And when the judge calls your name, unmute your device, which the judge calls your name. And Judge, Police Officer Presley is.
Okay, what are we doing with Presley?
Presley Gerard Relish did not appear.
I found that. Oh, okay. All right, yes, we will. For some reason, I thought Rutledge had checked in, but Rutledge has not checked in. That is going to be a caveat, Officer Presley.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. Thanks.
I think it was Jarrell Richardson. Is that the guy with all the extra?
Mr. Daniel, turn on your video. Everyone turn on their video. Court is in session. And stay in the camera. Mr. Daniel, you have to take off your hat.
You could bring out the Taylor. That's gonna be the opposite.
Russell, Ms. Russell, turn on your video.
Do you want the G to practice?
Yes, Your Honor, please, thank you.
Mr. Rutledge?
You may go.
Everyone, I'm waiting for the House Counsel, the attorney, to come back out. And I'm gonna reopen court because I feel that I have to. Okay, everyone. 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while court's in session. There's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, eating, or smoking, or in and out of the camera. When your name is called, please unmute your device. If you didn't give your full and undivided attention to the court, Ms. Russell, you will have to sit up in the court. Thank you.
I was already
Okay.
sitting up. I was just trying to hear what you were saying. It's kind of low.
All right.
This is the People versus Taylor Rollins, ticket number SP 1302263, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And why don't you say your name for the record?
My name is Taylor Rollins. Taylor Rollins.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
How does your client wish to proceed?
Yes, my client wishes to, did Robert Johnson appear for the trial today?
Yeah, he checked in.
He checked in. She's taking, I didn't, I believe she's accepting the offer of improper plates and which is no points to dismiss, no insurance. Is that correct, Ms. Rollins? Plead to one, dismiss one, no points. And it doesn't even go on your record either, on your driving record.
Yes,
Okay,
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rollins. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange
No.
for your guilt? Okay, you're pleading
No.
of your own. You're pleading of your own free will.
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes. I'm
You're pleading
sorry.
guilty. You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes,
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 18, 2022 at 2:18 p.m. On the day and time you at near East Outer Drive and Mound Road in the city of Detroit.
I'm sorry, my phone connection messing up. I didn't hear you.
On January 18, 2022 at 2:18 p.m. Were you at or near East Outer Drive and Mound Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
Were you driving a 2014 Dodge vehicle?
yes.
Was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
I didn't have my plates updated, so it was just my registration.
So it was not registered.
Yeah, it wasn't updated, yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
yes, Your Honor.
Court's office satisfied factual basis will amend count one to improper place to stipulate the probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
Count two is dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. Ms. Rollins has a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by June 12th?
Yes,
Any questions?
no,
You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
thank you. Bye-bye.
This is the People versus Cassandra Davis, ticket number SP 1321535. Count one, driver's license expired. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. And then ticket number SP 1061165. Count one, driving register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Cassandra Davis.
Yes.
This is-
Your Honor, I'm sorry.
The court did run her SOS. She does have a valid driver's license.
Okay. This is the arraignment. Defendant waiting formal reading stands muted at this time.
All right.
Your Honor, we would ask the court to dismiss all three tickets based on valid documents. I had sent the registration and insurance over to Prosecutor Horn also.
Okay. All right, with that, you stipulate the proper cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice, as Ms. Davis has provided valid documentation. You are all set, Ms. Davis. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me one moment. All right, this is the People versus Romeo Dockery, ticket number SP 1432057. Count one, expired plates. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, failed to stop for stop sign. Good morning, please say your name. I'm sorry. Yes, failed to stop sign. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir? Is he even up? Is he out here?
Wait a
He
minute.
was here. Oh, here he is. Unmute yourself and turn your video on, Mr. Dockery.
Pardon?
Turn your video on and say your name, sir.
I'm trying to. Hold on. It's not letting me.
Go ahead, Mr.
Your Honor, today's date time set for trial and formal hearing. I don't believe Officer Hussein has appeared. I'd move to dismiss all three matters.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9. It's 10:23. No officer has appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Dockery. Good luck to you, sir.
Mr. Ross, turn on your video. Mr.
Thank you.
Ross.
Miss, Officer Johnson, we did Taylor Rollins. She pled to improper place.
Oh, good morning, Your Honor. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. You're all set, Mr. Dockery. Good luck to you.
Man, what they got to eat over there?
All right, we have, Nico Daniel that is set for a show cause. He has 2 other matters that are in warrant status. It's no license, no insurance. It's 2 no show. All right, so the offer will be filled to display.
On all three matters, Your Honor?
It would be, he has 3 matters, 1 is a fail to display and it's 2 no insurance. The offer would be failed to display. I know it was in proper place, but it would not be failed to display and dismissed with no insurance.
Thank you. Mr. Daniel, do you wish to accept that offer? Plead to 1, dismiss 2, no points. And they're bringing your tickets out of default or warrant status.
Yes, plead for 1 and dismiss 2.
This is the people versus Nico Daniel, ticket number SP 1430684, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number 214634040, count 1, no operator's license in possession, and count 2, no insurance. Good morning, please have your names for the record.
Yes. Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Nico Daniel.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Daniels, we accept the offer.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Daniel. Raise your right hand, Mr. Daniel.
My hand is up.
Okay, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights? Is that correct?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of February 7th, 2021.
Judge, could you repeat that? I didn't get it.
Sorry.
You said,
February 7th, 2021 at 9:15 p.m. Were you at Linden and Burt Road in the city of Detroit?
Linden and Burt Road. Yes.
Were you driving a 2006 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, at the moment.
Did you not have your operator's license on your person?
Yes.
Yes, that's how Mr. Thoreau.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you stipulate your probable cause.
Yes, Your Honor.
1 is amended to fail to display. The remaining tickets are dismissed without prejudice. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Daniel, can you have that fine paid by June?
Yes, it can be.
June 12th.
So can you make sure it's updated at least by then?
What do you?
Or is it a way I could just come down and pay it? That's all I'm saying. Because sometimes it don't be updated on there. So
Right, I mean, if you try to do it today, it probably won't be updated, but if you try it tomorrow, then it should be updated. You can come down to the courthouse, but you need to wait for it to be entered into the system.
Okay.
All right,
All right.
so the due date is June 12th. And it's $200. And all your tickets, I think all your tickets have been taken care of.
Okay, then.
Unless you got it, unless you got a ticket within the last month.
No.
Mr. Sean Dixon, you have to sit down.
All right, this is the people versus Andre Davis.
Okay, so I'm good.
You're all set. Good. Have a good one, Mr. Daniel. This is people versus Andre Davis, ticket number SP 1430245. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, driving register or title vehicle. And count 3, fails to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Yes, Your Honor, I think there's one more ticket. I see 4 tickets from Mr. Davis.
You are correct. There's also ticket number SP 1430243. Count 1, 6 to 10 miles per hour over posted speed.
Your Honor, has Officer Kenneth Hope appeared today for a trial?
Kenneth Hope did not appear today.
Your Honor, first of all, I think I failed to identify myself for the record. Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Andre Davis.
Yes, Your Honor, defense moves to dismiss all 4 matters as a police officer has not appeared for trial.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9, it's 10:30, no officer, 10:29. No officer has appeared, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Davis. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Dejanay Denson, ticket number SP 1431196. Count 1, license never acquired. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Dejanay Denson.
Your Honor, Ms. Denson wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution, plead to a failure to display in this matter.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Denson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And you've had.
Judge, let me put Mr. Ross in the waiting room till we wait, call him because he's making too much noise. Okay, thank you.
Have you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to February 9, 2023 at 6:50 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Alfred and Woodward in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2019 Nissan vehicle?
Yes.
And had you never acquired a driver's license?
No.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
First officer satisfied will admit the count of fails to display. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Ms. Denson. Can you have that fine paid by June 12th?
Yes.
Questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Officer Yoka, we're gonna capious Gerard Rutledge. He didn't
Okay,
appear.
sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, this is the people versus LaKayla Russell, ticket number SP 1429977. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Russell.
All right, Mr. Soroki, the officer did check in, but indicated that he was not going to be able to make it. So with that, you have a motion.
Yes, defense moves to dismiss these matters, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. And it's not for the officer who failed to appear, just as the officer.
Can we come on behalf of the city?
Yeah, it was 2 officers. The free said it, and then this was.
Okay, so there's
Another case, Officer Sharp, he called.
okay. Oh, so this is not long.
No,
Okay, all right, thank you, Judge.
this was a Taylor Russell.
Got it, thank you.
No insurance.
Okay.
You're all set, Ms. Russell. Good luck to you, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus LaShawn Dixon, ticket number SP 1091877, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. And then it looks like ticket number SP 12. I'm sorry, count 3 on that is also no insurance misdemeanor, and then ticket number SP 1211580, count 1, giving false information regarding accident. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Alan
LaShawn-
Sroki, I'm sorry, Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
LaShawn Dixon.
Your Honor, Ms. Dixon, waive before reading stands mute at this time, answer all charges. And Ms. Dixon wishes to set these matters for a bench trial.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Dixon. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
All right, so the court is going to set this matter for a bench trial on May 26th at 9 o'clock. The only thing, Ms. Dixon, is that these matters were previously set for a bench trial and you did not appear. So make sure you.
I was
appear.
in jail. I was in jail and I sent you the proof of incarceration and everything. I sent it to Wayne County. I was in Oakland County Jail for 6 months.
If you sent it to Wayne County, 36th district likely did not get it. But,
No, I sent it to 36th district.
Okay, all right, so your next court date is May 26th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Honor.
All right, this is the people versus Diamond Bricks. Ticket number SP 150739, count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1332622, count 1, drove a license not valid or a proper license, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, please?
Diamond Riggs.
Your Honor, defendant waives before reading stands mute at this time for the arraignment.
All right,
Defendant also wishes to accept the offer of prosecution. She'll be pleading to a failure to display on license improper. The remaining 3 tickets will be dismissed.
okay, raise your right hand, Ms. Riggs. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
Pleading of your own free will? I didn't hear your answer. Are you pleading of your own free will?
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of March 24th, 2022 at 1:19 p.m. On that date time, were you at or near Joy Road and Mansfield, the city of Detroit?
yes,
All right, were you driving a 2015 Chevrolet vehicle?
yes,
And were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki? And you stipulate
Yes, Your
proper-
Honor. Sorry.
All right, the court will amend count one and fail to display, will dismiss the remaining tickets without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Ms. Ricks. Can you have that fine paid by June 12th? I didn't hear your answer, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
No,
So you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
thank you.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
does I'm bringing, I think his name was Jason
Well, Richardson,
Ross. Jason Ross.
Mr. Ross, can you turn your video on, sir?
He was having problems with his video all morning, and so it will come on sometime and then it'll go back out.
Mr. Ross, can you turn on your video or? This is the
I'm sorry to
people versus-
interrupt court. Did Jesus Robinson or appear for trial?
He did. I think that is gonna actually proceed to trial. The officer
Okay.
is here.
No problem.
This is the people versus Jason Ross, ticket number SP 1269763, count one, driver license suspended, ticket number SP 1272477, driver license suspended, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, count three, driving register or entitled vehicle, ticket number SP 1221224, count one, driver license suspended, and count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please state your name for the record.
Alan Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Mr.
Ross.
Mr. Ross, you gotta get into the camera. It's facing this.
I think my camera's turned the wrong way, sir.
Turn the camera around, sir. Just turn it around. Yeah, okay. Now state your name. Say your name.
Jason Ross.
Okay.
Jason Ross.
Okay.
Okay. Your Honor, defendant wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution. He'll be pleading to a failure to display to driver's license suspended, which ends in count four, in numbers 4771. He'll also be pleading to improper plates and ticket ending in 2242. The remaining four tickets will be dismissed.
Right, I'm sorry. Officer Reeves, can you say your name for the record, sir?
Yeah, sorry, I didn't want to interrupt. Officer James Reeves, badge 4462, Detroit Police Department.
And Officer Longuski, can you say your name, sir?
Yes, good morning. Officer Longuski, badge 746, Detroit Police Department.
Sorry about that. All right, Mr. Ross, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your right.
No.
You've never had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Soroki about your case and your right.
He talked to Pauline.
No.
Did you speak to an attorney?
Yes, Miss Pauline.
Okay, well, she's a lawyer too, it's a sister, but yes, okay. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of November 6, 2021 at 12:35 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Helen Street and Forest Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2011 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna also direct your attention to September 13th, 2021 at 7:54 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near Jefferson and Griswold in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2003 Lexus vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle? Was that vehicle uninsured?
Yes.
Mr. Soroki, you're satisfied with factual basis and stipulate the proper cause?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will amend these counts to fail to display and improper place will dismiss the remaining tickets without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There is, there's a $300 fine for the fail to display. I'll waive the fine for the improper place. Can you have that fine paid by June 12th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir? Any questions, Mr. Ross?
No.
You are all set, sir. Good luck to you. Thank you, officers Reeves and
Thank
Lundberg.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Okay, there's two people in the waiting room. Richardson, Jarrell, you can see it. Did you talk to Mr. Richardson? Mr. Soroki?
Let me see here. No, I don't think, Richardson.
His offer, so he had 3 matters that are on the docket, but then he had about 6 more tickets that were in warrant status. So the offer is that he plead to fail to display. He already owes about $1,000 in civil infraction, and so the rest of the cases would be dismissed.
So are you talking about, I'm sorry, are you talking about Kenneth Richardson or Jarrell Richardson?
Jarrell Richardson.
Jarrell, okay, okay. We have, fail to display and dismiss the balance. Is that what you said, Your Honor?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Richardson wishes to accept that offer, Your Honor.
All right. All right, this is the people versus Jarrell Richardson, ticket number SP 1430811, count 1, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 2, drive with revoked license, and count 3, improper plates, ticket number SP 1404015, count 1, drive with revoked license, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and then ticket number SP 1191784, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, drive with revoked license, count 3, driving registered or entitled vehicle. And I think, I'm sorry, give me one moment.
Mr. Richardson, remove your hat.
I think that ticket. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
All right, can you repeat that for me?
Say your name for the record, sir.
Well, Richardson.
Alan Stroke, P37.
Oh my goodness.
What is that about?
Oh, wow.
They've been doing that, bombing people over here, and we've been lucky. No one's ever gotten us.
Yeah, I figure it might be AI or something.
Well, somebody is playing dirty, ignorant tricks, so, you know, God disputes that.
You didn't see that? It was somebody had to say.
Oh.
Okay, Mr. Soroki, would you continue?
Okay, Alan Stroke, P374441, appearing on behalf of Mr. Richardson. Mr. Richardson wishes to accept the offer of prosecution.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Richardson.
That's great.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Okay.
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to to speak to the attorney about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still should continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of February 8th, 2023 at 12:35 p.m. On that date and time, were you at in your West Davidson Street and Rosa Parks Boulevard, the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2002 Saturn vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving with the revoked license?
Yes.
Are you satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and I forgot to mention this one case number, ticket number SP 1239763, count 2, drive with revoked license. With that, do you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by June 12th?
Yes.
Now, keep in mind, Mr. Richardson, you owe like $1,000 in civil infraction fine.
I just looked it up online and it was $1,881.
Oh, okay. I had 987, but all right. So you are aware of it. You need to make sure you pay that, okay? Because the longer you don't go without paying it, you're gonna incur late fees.
Okay.
All right. So unless you had any questions, you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Well, man, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, now,
So can I have like some type of documentation?
what,
What was that, sir?
Can I receive like some type of documentation so that I can give my job so that they know like?
I can't hear you. Are you asking for like a payment arrangement?
No.
no, he said, could he receive some type of documentation so he can give it to his job?
Oh,
Oh, his job.
so you should be able to look on the website and look up your name, and because they'll want to say that he had a hearing today. They'll say that you had a hearing today, and then if you wait till like maybe till tomorrow, it should indicate that you were there, that you appeared for court, and
Okay.
so I will wait for tomorrow. But you should be able to look it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck, sir.
Okay, now, let me see who this is.
Hopefully that ain't no pornography.
All right.
Y'all done do it?